In this video, I'm going to show you how I make delicious vegetable fried rice at home. I start with this Trader Joe frozen vegetable fried rice. It is my favorite. I love it. So I start with that as my dish. And then I like to use either this garlic stir-fry oil or a sesame oil. This is corn that I cooked last week in my Instant Pot. I'll link to the video so you can see how I fixed that. So to get started, I turn my pan onto a medium-high heat. I let it get warmed up. I'll add some of the oil to the pan. I'll add some crushed garlic. Now I'm slicing the corn from the cob. I like to add some of my own fresh vegetables to the frozen meal because I just think it makes a really fresh dinner. And I'm going to stir fry the corn to get started, and you'll love how this sounds. Once the corn is warmed up and sizzling, I add the fried rice and I just mix everything in. At this point, you just want to distribute everything evenly through the pan. You just want to move it around and let everything start to cook. And I add vegetable stock just to give it a little liquid and to help with the steaming process. And then I'm going to cover it for a bit. You can see there's quite a bit of liquid in the pan and that I have the heat on fairly high. The liquid is a combination of the veggie stock I added as well as the frozen bits of the dinner really starting to melt. And this helps to steam the rice and vegetables while it is stir frying. This is about 5 minutes into the cooking process, and now I'm going to start getting some little crispy bits on the bottom, and that's what I'm looking for. See the little crispy bits? And you'll know this is happening because it's going to have a very unique sound, and we're going to listen to that in the next clip. Listening for that popping sound. And with that, that's when your rice is really starting to get brown on the bottom. Yes, it starts to make this really signature or characteristic popping sound, and that's what you want to listen for. And when you start getting that, you know that you're getting browned on the bottom and the rice is just about ready. Okay, this is not a dish that you're going to put on the stove and walk away from. It requires you to stand there and babysit it. So you're not going to be able to, go do the laundry while this is on the stovetop. It just doesn't work that way. Otherwise, it's going to burn. So you've got to stay there. You've got to keep working it and moving it around in the pan. I want to give a shout out to Love and Daisies of HSN for this awesome new cooking pan set that I just got. I love these pans. Honestly, nothing sticks. They clean up really easy. They are amazing, and I loved cooking my fried rice in this pan. It was a joy to make it because when you're cooking stuff like this on high heat, the tendency is for things to stick, but it doesn't in this. Okay, so let's listen to the beautiful popping sound again that you're all so excited to get to. Thanks for that. Beautiful fried rice. Okay, that's the fantastic pop and sizzle. That's what we want. See how I've got the nice little brown bits on the bottom? I apologize, this video is not the best. I was like at the end of the day when I filmed this, so, but okay, there, look at that. That's what you want. It's fabulous. Okay, so that's the video. That's how I make my fried rice at home. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.